So today I'm going to show you how to paint this cute little candlestick and candle. What I did was I just printed off the pattern, and because I'm doing it on a black canvas, you can't use carbon paper unless you can get white carbon paper. So what I did was I just put chalk on the back of my pattern paper, any color chalk as long as it's bright, and then I traced it out with a pen, and there's your candle on black canvas. So you take that off and you start to paint. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to take a small, I have a Filbert brush here, but you can use a small flat brush. I may change that. And I'm going to take some yellow and I put that on the candle, on the flame. Now because it's a black canvas, we may need to do a couple of coats. Want to get that nice and bright. So that's your start. So I got a couple of different brushes, flats. You might, like I say, need different sizes of each brush, small, medium, or large. And what I'm going to do is I want to take burnt umber and I'm going to put it here. Like I say, now that's a dark background, so we'll have to brighten it up. Good. And I'm going to clean my brush. And for the candle, I'm going to just take a bit of my blue. You can take any blue you want. I got ultramarine blue there, but you can use any color blue. I'm just going to mix that with white to get a nice bluish color. And I'm going to put that on the candle. There we go. Very simple steps. Get your basic colors on first. Don't worry about the highlights and details, small details later. When you put these colors on, or your base colors, it's basically to get the shapes. To make sure you get the shapes properly. And to have an underpainting. It's a good place to start. That way you're not worried too much about small details in the very beginning. Just want to get it started. Some people don't know where to start with their paintings, but always put on your base colors and you can't go wrong. So for the bottom, the candle holder, I'm going to use burnt umber. I'm just going to paint that in. I need a smaller brush. I always have to try different brushes because depending on the shape, depending on the room that you have, you might need to change your brushes from time to time. Just fill it in. I'm leaving those lines there because I want to see where I'm going to put my highlights. Make any adjustments that you need. Maybe a little hard to see because maybe I'll add a bit of white to it just so you can see it. But I like to have that nice and dark. I'll just leave it a little bit lighter so you can see what I'm doing. But the burnt umber comes out really nice when you put your highlights on. So just fill it in. If you end up going over one of your lines, you should be okay. You should be able to figure out where your highlights go. You'll see now as we go along. All right. Just trying to get the shape. You can always make adjustments as I go along. Now I'm going to take my small flat brush, chiseled edge, if you can get it to chisel, and I'm going to get white on my brush, and I'm going to put on some white. I'm going to tap it on so I can keep some of the blue. Just tapping on. I want it to look like a waxy candle. So you can see I'm just tapping at it. I don't want to lose all my blue, so I might go back in with some more blue. Don't want to lose all my blue. Just tap, tap, tap. There we go. Right up to the edge here. All right. Good. And down here, we are going to pick up some yellow. We are going to put a bit of yellow across the top here. We leave some of the burnt umber. And then we'll take some yellow and put it here, here, just right on the edge. Wiping off my brush and dragging that over a little more so it'll blend. So if you want to make it look like it's dripping, just add bits of white on the edge here. So it's dripping down. It's coming down the edge. wax is just starting to drip down here. It's just a little extra white. It might even be dripping over the edge, who knows? Don't want to go too fancy. Might get a little complicated, we don't want that. I'm just going to drip some. So it's just a matter of putting some pure white on top of what you already did. See? There we go. We don't want too much, just enough to give it an idea that it might be dripping. Nice. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.